Morning, this is Peter with JVR Industries. I'm going to quickly go over how to access your secondary settings menu and the vacuum adjustment for the upper and lower calibrations. It's a simple one adjustment, increase and decrease, but I'm going to quickly go through that so that you know how to calibrate your unit. Now, please know this is not a critical process overall, because once again, this is a for reference only vacuum gauge. So please bear that in mind in this adjustment. Let's go ahead and move forward with that. Okay, so I'm going to go over why would you ever access the secondary settings menu? Well, it's to calibrate this MPa value, megapascals. And what you would want to do is achieve this to read out 000 at the end of the cycle like it currently is. And you would want to achieve the upper limit of maybe 0.096 up to 0.100. Okay, and just know that this is a for reference only gauge. So just because this reads lower than 0.1 does not state that it's actually pulling less vacuum. And please know that all of these units are tested in-house with an atmospheric pressure gauge or a torr gauge. And it's like the best, it's like the creme de la creme when it comes to measuring vacuum. So let's go ahead and get into this. So you're going to press and hold the settings button for up to 5 seconds. Then you should hear a beep emit. Then you're going to see vacuum 0.00. Okay. And say your main vacuum was reading 0.01 at the end of your cycle. Well, then you want to fix that. Okay, and chances are it's probably reading 0.001, not 0.01. So if it was just reading 0.001, you would just hit decrease in the secondary settings menu one time. And if you do that, you'll see this value does not change. Okay, and that's how you would adjust that. To exit out of this, you simply just hit stop. You run your cycle, test it. If you need to make another adjustment, do the same thing once again. Press and hold the settings button for up to 5 seconds. And then make your alteration using the increase and decrease buttons until your unit reads the 0 at the end and the upper is around 0.096 to 0.100. Have a great one.